Welcome back to another episode on Texas Dream Homes. My name is Eric Diaz, your future real estate agent. Today, we are located in Mustang Lakes in Prosper, Texas, looking at a beautiful tradition home. So this floor plan is the 5531. It is a 3 to 4 bedroom, 3.5 bath, 1-story home. It is sitting at around 3,409 square feet. And if you're wondering why it's a 3 to 4, since this is new construction, there's different plans that you can add an extra bedroom or you can keep it at that 3 bedroom. The price point is starting at around $791,900. They are about to have some new phases starting, including the 100-foot lots, which are going to be humongous. So if you're looking for a really, really big home, that is something I recommend waiting for and reaching out to me so I can give you all the information and you can stay up to date. This does have a 3-car garage, a really nice media room. There's a cool study, really good space. All the closet sizes are amazing. As you can see, this is one of the guest bedrooms, and I have never seen a closet like this. Usually it's just kind of 1 or 2 little areas to hang some clothes, but they definitely give you your bang for your buck here. Then you have this really beautiful shower here as well. Really high ceiling, so it makes the house feel really big, even though it is a 1-story. And then right there where we walk past, that's going to be the garage. Right now it's open because that's kind of the office for the salespeople. And then you walk over towards the middle of the home and you do have your media room. Beautiful media room with all the nice paneling. Of course, this is not going to be in your home unless you upgrade it, so keep that in mind. But it is still a good sized media room right in the middle of the home. It's kind of hard to squish in a media room on the 1-story houses, so it's a good layout. I think I liked it a lot. On top of all the space that they give you for each room, I think it's overall, I would prefer more of a 2-story home for the more space, but this layout in particular, I think works very well for a 1-story. So Tradition Homes did very, very well. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments. Now here we are in the kitchen. Ton of cabinet space. Of course, they went with the nice white modern cabinets, and you do have a humongous island right here in the middle with a ton of seating space, which is nice. So if you're gonna have guests over, I know you don't really have a formal dining room area. You do have that breakfast nook / formal dining room right behind the island, but you do have a ton of seating areas, so if you do have guests over, you don't have to worry about that. And very well kitchen, very nice, a ton of cabinet space. Really cool vent up right above the stove, which I like. And we'll check out the backyard. Backyard is super nice. I love the floor that they chose here. It makes it look really modern. All the space you have a nice little area for some fire pits. I mean, it's a really cool overall spot. And a great neighborhood. I mean, Mustang Lakes is a really, really cool neighborhood in Prosper. It has over 20 acres of central parks featuring hiking trails, mature trees. You have tennis courts. You do have a basketball court. They do have this thing called their private lake with an island, which you have this walkway to pretty much a mini island, you could say, where you can hang out. Super relaxing, and it is a super neat thing that not a lot of neighborhoods have here in Texas. You do have a fitness center as well. They do have a pool, and they also have a lap pool. So if you are an avid swimmer, you don't have to be sharing the pool with all the kiddos. There's a separate one made for laps, which is going to be really, really nice. I just picked up swimming, so that's something that stood out to me. Now that I'm getting into swimming, that is a huge plus to have that in your neighborhood. And again, beautiful bedrooms, the area, the floor that they used. I'm a huge fan of this model home. And for the price point, starting in the high 700s in Prosper, that is not bad at all. I know they don't have a lot of homes left, This neighborhood is almost sold out. They are gonna be on some of their last phases. Like I said, there's gonna be that 100-foot lot phase, which is gonna be insane, and I cannot wait to show you guys. But this one is the 65-foot lot, so it's still a big home. Now, this is my favorite part right here of the master bedroom. So this is really unique. As soon as you walk in, you actually enter into the closet area, which I thought was really, really neat, and I actually liked. So you have the his and hers closet. Again, humongous closets in every room, super, super nice. But you have this nice little room kind of area here. You can put a couch and make it a whole vibe. And then you do have access to the bathroom. So really nice bathroom as well. They definitely did not disappoint. Really good shower, tub. But I just thought it was really neat. I've never seen a floor plan where they have that closet first and then you enter into your bedroom. You guys let me know what you think. I'm sure some people are gonna hate it. It's kind of a unique style, but I'm definitely into some of the quirky stuff that these builders are doing. So I personally really, really like it. And then we go right through this door and check out the master bedroom. Great size bedroom as well. You can fit a ton of stuff in here. You got your chairs, big bed, beautiful windows to the backyard. Definitely a 10 out of 10 home in my opinion. Let me know if you're interested in checking it out. I also put some clips up of the neighborhood. My info is on the screen and in the link in the description. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you at the closing table.